I've never cried like this in forever. I'm so emotional. I hate goodbyes. I always say I hate goodbyes. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. So today's video, Fabio is leaving as usual. Today's video.
In today's video, I'll show you how to live.
How to leave all the time. No, he has a meeting, guys. And today it's our last day in our condo. That's what I'm gonna title this vlog. It's our last day in our condo. Guys, look, our underwear everywhere. That kind of rhyme. Underwear everywhere. This is our situation at the moment. Very messy, very messy. So I just cut my hair yesterday as well. So guys, this is the last day in our apartment, and the plan today is literally just pack everything because my parents, my family, my brothers are gonna come tomorrow and they're gonna help us pick this up, and we're gonna put it in my parents' house in the basement. Am I sad? I'm not really sad because it's time. Bye, Fabio.
See you soon, guys.
Wow, she looks cute with the curls. Yeah, so Fabio's going home to Italy as well next week. So for the month of December, we're not gonna be together. So he has 3 suitcases that needs to be packed. And then I'm gonna stay with my parents as well because obviously we wanna spend Christmas with our families. So I just finished having my coffee because I always start my day with coffee. And then I don't really wanna pack, so let's pack. Maybe we're gonna fold this first. We're gonna fold that first. Hey guys, Fabio's back.
Hi, guys.
While he was gone, I finished all the laundry. So they're all in that suitcase and this box right here. So I'm just gonna put away those socks. Those are Fabio's socks. And then the closet is pretty much all done. So it's empty, Fabio.
Amazing.
Look, it's empty.
Amazing.
And then now my mission is to just clean this up. So this box is pretty much done. And then that one is pretty much done. The suitcase is full of socks. So I'm just gonna put away this and I'll update you later. Lunch break! Oh my god, we're almost done finally. And look.
Yay, leftovers from the party last night.
Tell them where it came from.
So, basically last night, guys, it was the most beautiful night and most emotional night because I said farewell or goodbye to all my students, my dance students, and they planned this beautiful party with all the catering because one of them does also catering. Sorry, my accent. So they cooked amazing food, they made amazing martinis, and then she said at the end, take home some stuff. So she packed it for me actually.
Alright guys, we're gonna eat first. Our messy house is here, almost ready to pack and move, so we're excited. So Fabio's mission is to take this painting that his friend gave him to Italy.
And I'm taking to Italy. That's gonna be a trouble.
And while packing, you guys were also doing karaoke. We have music in the background if you can hear it. Sing it, Fabio. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty hurts. Shine the light on whatever's worse.
Pretty.
Wow.
I really feel this song because I'm pretty.
So this closet where our laundry is pretty much packed up. We're just doing a little bit more laundry. And now I'm working on fixing or packing the kitchen. So
Unfortunately, I'm still working on my personal luggage, which is a mess, guys. A
the
mess.
struggle of this painting.
Honestly, this painting took at least an hour, and it's taking half of my space. So I don't know what to do anymore.
Fabio is becoming so stressed, and you can tell when he's so stressed because his hair is becoming more curly and curlier and curlier. So yes, so I'm just packing this. I'm just putting it all in one box. It should be easy. And I'm gonna put my plates and my cups in one box as well, so they don't, break. And I'm gonna wrap it with newspaper. So because I packed all my clothes already. It's just Fabio. Good thing you made it happen. Your painting.
I made it happen.
Done! Empty! Okay, on to the next one. Oh, look at all the drawers we still have to pack. We have the spoons and forks, all the spices. Oh my god!
So guys, finally I'm almost done also with my luggage. And then we're gonna work our way through eating all the food we have, all the one that we can ingest, and then just cleaning up and enjoy the rest of the day. We don't know how it's gonna go.
More time with you.
So guys, this is so sweet. I was going through my papers and I found the year plan that we did, Yani and I, in a coffee shop in 2019. And it's like with all our YouTube plans and which month we were gonna buy the drone, when I was gonna travel, to set up the whole year and set our goals for 2019. This is so sweet.
Did it accomplish? Did it all come true?
We did all of it. Besides saving $20,000.
This is the last suitcase I'm about to close and we are done. We're gonna give you a tour soon how empty the house is now, but looks like this suitcase is not.
My back is hurting just to look at all these boxes.
Okay, that's that.
Fun.
Okay.
Say goodbye to them. So I empty the bathrooms because we just need a toothbrush, toothpaste is empty. Just a couple of products for the shower. I cleaned the bathroom already. And then here, just my junk. Oh, we need to figure out this.
Oh yeah, I need to throw that away. So
Okay. That's very.
If you guys are wondering why we're throwing away everything and we're cleaning and we're moving out, because like we always say, we're traveling the world next year. So
Look at that. Makes me so happy.
empty.
Emptiness. One fork.
One fork.
That's it, guys. The bedroom is here. So all these boxes are still, we're gonna organize them very soon.
Good morning.
Oh, you brought me coffee?
For the vlog.
Yeah, because you never do, you bitch.
Guys, I'm legit crying.
I'm eating lasagna.
I'm legit crying because I'm being so nostalgic, thinking about all the times we've been in Toronto. And who would have thought my life would be like this? Like, I came to Toronto with a job and I was ready to conquer the world.
Yeah.
And then I left after 9 years and then life changed, you know?
Yeah. But you know, we had 6 months of preparation. You could have cried 6 months ago. Like I did. And
Today,
now I'm fine.
guys,
Came
today
to a
is
closure.
real because look, we're moving. Today is our last day, so
Yeah.
I've never cried like this in forever.
Exactly. Not even like if I break up with you, you will never cry like
No.
this. You'll be happy throwing a party. You damn.
Because we built a life. We built a life in the city. All our friends, we met new friends, new people. We had
Lot of amazing
we had our
people.
things going on,
Mm-hmm.
and then we left.
We're still here. We still haven't left.
Are we gonna come back? Do you think? Can I have? What the fuck?
Lasagna is so good. See, you cry, but you have time to eat, do you?
Guys, that's it.
Yeah. I want to say thank you to all the amazing friends, amazing people we met
Why is she so good?
on the way.
Who is
I
it?
know,
Who lasagna is it?
Chantal made it.
I cried.
Oh well.
I'm so emotional. I hate goodbyes. I always say I hate goodbyes.
I have no one to say goodbye to, so.
Can you
Oh,
let me have my moment? You fucked up. Guys, I'm crying again.
Again, this crying situation.
I'm crying again because my friend in our group chat just texted me, "Bye, Yani. I hope you and Fabio enjoy your adventure. I'm gonna miss you too."
I hope people stop texting him because we are running out of paper towels. There's no more wiping to do here. Holy crap. Wow. It's okay, come on.
It's done.
Be happy.
our fucking neighbor, the petty neighbor. I'm gonna miss them.
I think I need some help because here situation is getting very dramatic. I can't get anything done because he keeps crying in every corner of the house, crying in every single corner. Maybe you should change that sweater, not that flawless when you cry. Come on, Yani. It's okay. Goodbyes are okay. Okay. You can always come back. You can always cancel your ticket if you prefer.
Tell me that way I'm gonna cry in a different position.
No, he's even directing me on the crying. Thank God his apartment is small because if you have to do every single corner, I'd be a 6-hour video like the Lord of the Rings. Again, there we go.
Guys, it's finally empty. My voice echoes. This is a perfect time to karaoke.
I know.
I've heard it said,
Let's stay a couple more hours.
I am Moana. Guys, that's it. It's empty. We didn't vlog the loading process because obviously we had to carry stuff. Nobody can vlog that. Alright guys, that's it.
That's it. House is empty.
Thank you for watching for today's vlog.
It was rough.
That's it.
No gym for a week for us.
That is it, guys. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next time.
Thank you, Toronto, for having us.
And we'll start the journey next year, traveling the world. Start the new year right.
Yes.
Wow, videographer.
Wow.
Thank you for
We're not
watching.
used to it.
See you next time, guys.
Bye. It's okay, Yani. Come on. Get it together.
I'm actually legit crying, guys.
Yeah.
We just said goodbye to our roommate.
It's gonna be fine.
I'm giving you the ugly cry.
I'll give you the pretty news. No longer paying $3,000 rent. How's that? How amazing.